Next airdrop we're going to do is HOX coin. Can you please like the video, subscribe to the channel. There's going to be a link in the description box below. Just click on it, and it should send you to this bot right here. Might redirect to another spot, and then you can click on the bot. We're not doing this one, are we? Click on the Buzzhead bot. Let's click start. Alright, we're going to join Telegram group. The first thing we're going to do. We're going to click here and start on activity, join the group. Click back. I want you to put in your Telegram name right here. So we will copy and paste our Telegram username right into there. Click on here. Task completed. Next, we're going to follow on Twitter. Start activity. Open. And we will follow them on Twitter right there. And it wants follow on Twitter username, and put that in. So just copy and paste your Twitter username into there. Click on next. And we can click here. This is your referral link right here. You can copy that, copy text. Then we'll click on main menu here, see what happens. Then we'll go to more activities. We'll follow on Facebook, enter your Ethereum address. So we'll go over here, we'll follow on Facebook, open that. We'll click on the like button right here. Just make sure that highlights up like that. Bring the bot back up. Next thing it's going to do is ask for your Facebook username. So we'll put our Facebook link into there. And we'll just copy and paste that right into there. Click on that. Task completed. Vote for a listing on. We'll see where this takes us. Let's click on start activity. Let's open this. If you don't have an account for here, just go over here and hit sign up. I'm going to log in. I've already got an account here. So after you log in, let's click on start activity, open. And I believe we're going to type in HOX, H-O-X. And then we're going to click on vote. It looks like you want you to click on the point. See what this is. Yeah, I didn't log in, so make sure you click the confirmation link in your email. Just click on that. Then we'll go back here. We'll hit this start activity again. We'll open this up. Then we'll type in HOX again, HOX. And there it is. It's still not allowing to vote. The big thing here about cheating votes, but it doesn't seem to be clicking on the vote sign. Well, I'm trying to vote for this coin, but it's not letting me. It says it's a free vote. So I'm gonna put my email into there anyways. And then click on next. I think these people would be set up a little bit better. Click on that, completed task, so let's go up here, enter your Ethereum address next. Gonna come down, scroll down to the bottom here, and then copy and paste that right into there, just like that. Click here. Task completed. You can also refer friends if you want. There's a referral link here for you. Just copy that. Yeah, it looks like we've performed all tasks here. So that's the end of this airdrop, and we're off onto the next one. Please subscribe to the channel and share this video to friends.